take a look at the take-up levers. We have 4 of them. We can see that they move very nice and easily. If they get bent or worn, they could be replaced. If we look at the back of the movable head, we can see that they're held on by a shaft and that we have a 1.5 hex screw that holds the shaft. First, we're going to take a little flathead and we're going to remove a C-clip which holds the take-up levers into position. Next, we're going to take our 1.5 hex screw, loosen the screw, and then we can start to slide the shaft outward. And as we slide them outward, we can see that the take-up levers come out. Usually, if you had to replace one, you'd probably want to replace all 4. They're inexpensive parts, and it would make a nice service for the machine. So when placing them back in, line everything up correctly, take your C-clip, put it into position, and lock it into place. You're then going to take the shaft and push it all the way in. Now instead of jamming the take-up lever and pushing it really hard in against there, you're just going to leave a very, very slight gap. This way the take-up lever can still move freely up and down and not become jammed. Once you have a nice position, you're going to take your 1.5 hex screwdriver and you're going to tighten the screw. Check every single one to make sure that it moves nice and smooth.